Ooh, I sip on codeine, my bitch on codeine. Let me grab codeine, my codeine. Ooh, I sip on codeine, my bitch on codeine. Let me grab codeine, my codeine. Ooh, codeine, crazy love, codeine, crazy love, codeine, crazy love. Ooh.
Yo, what's up you all? I hope you guys are doing good today. So yes, my album is out. I don't know if you guys heard. I dropped it like I think 1 or 2 weeks ago. So that's not the real purpose of this video though. But the song I was playing was one of the tracks on that album. So I wanted to talk to you about my alternative to Autotune. I don't know if you guys know, but it has been like at least 2 years now I don't use Autotune plugin anymore. I use one of the competition guys from Plugin Alliance. So I use the it's called Scale. I think it's called Crispy Scale. Nah, I don't even know, Scale Tune or whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna put it out on my laptop now, and you're gonna see what is the real name, and you're gonna actually see the power of that plugin and actually understand why that's the plugin I'm using for my as Autotune now. And actually at the time I bought that plugin, it was on sale. That's one of the reasons why I bought it. Was just like was less than $50, but Autotune was like $200 or $300. I'm like, fuck it, you don't have to say that twice. I'm getting the cheaper one. Gee, you know what's up, man. So like, share, subscribe, put some comment, and let's get to it. I'm gonna show you a little bit like how I use that plugin and what this plugin looks like. So you all, this is the plugin. This plugin is called BX Crispy Tuner. Crispy Tuner. So this plugin comes with like, it's literally when you buy this plugin, it's 2 plugins they give you. So it comes with like a scale detector, and then you have the tuner itself, right? So the scale detector will be this one. The scale detector is called Crispy Scale. So Crispy Scale is literally like, it helps you detect the scale of your song, of your beat, so that you don't have to guess it whenever you are trying to put your the key of your auto-tuning the key of the song. So whenever you found it, you can just straight up like click on send to BX Crispy Tuner, and that sends this information directly to Crispy. It's crazy though, Crispy Scale, Crispy Tuner. I feel like I'm eating chicken, guys. So you just send the details of this scale to Crispy Tuner, and then that puts all your instance of Crispy Tuner in the scale of your song, and you don't have to do anything. So it's actually super great. So the original price of this plugin though is like $300 or $400, but I got it in sale for $50. I don't know if it's still on sale, but you should be able to get it for that price pretty much, I'm pretty sure, at some point, because they're running a lot of sales, those guys. So this is how the plugin looks like. Literally like this is how I set it up all the time, because I like my voice like to be like T-Pain effect, like singing like crazy. So I crank the transition up, I crank the tightness, I crank the correction. And if you don't know what those knob does, whenever you point on it, it shows you exactly what those knob does. What those knob do, you know. It just shows you what it does straight up. And I can transpose it if I want. I can change the root note, the scale, or the pitch range, and whatsoever. So, and you actually have like a filter on it, which is super great. I'm just gonna show you a little bit how like my voice sounds like whenever the auto tune is on it.
Bitches want me down every day. I ain't doing shit, I don't play. She be serving drink, she's being hostile.
And when I turn off the auto tune,
bitches want me down every day.
Can you hear the first note? Like, bro.
Bitches want me down every day. I ain't doing shit, I don't play. She be serving drink, she's being hostile.
Yo, that's L, fam. That's big L. No W's here. But whenever I put the auto tune on,
bitches want me down every day.
How do you do W?
I ain't doing shit, I don't play. She be serving drink, she's being hostile. I don't play this game, that ain't my lifestyle. Bitches want.
That looks like a W to me, I don't care. So yeah, I'm putting you on the sauce. Like, that's a big gem here. Use this shit, it's way better, way cheaper, and bro, it does the job. And they also have like a corrector inside. Like if I want to correct my note, I can just go to graphical, play the note is already there, I can pitch correct it straight up, you know. Other than that, instead of using it in advanced mode, I can use it in simple mode. I just have to put it to extreme. That's my taste. I like it extreme, and then choose the key of the song, and I'm good to go. You know, these are really good plugins. So I just wanted to put you guys on my alternative to Autotune. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, let me know. Like, share, subscribe, put some comment, and see you on the next video, guys. Peace out, home slice. Cheers.
Virgin, no baby boo. I'm just such a hand, you're my Pikachu.
Grandi, slide dans la chambre. J'aime comment tu te cambres.